We know that in the previous class the slope of tangent is given by dy by dx at the given point, so x comma y. If the function is in the linear form, any function, so therefore to find the slope of normal, that is the slope of normal is negative reciprocal of the slope of tangent. So here find the slope of normal to x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta, or theta equal to pi by 4. Here the given function is parametric form, so therefore common parameter is theta. We have to differentiate this function with respect to theta, then find dy by dx or theta equal to pi by 4, which will give slope of tangent. After taking the negative reciprocal, we will get the slope of the normal. So common parameter is theta here. Differentiate with respect to theta. Therefore, dx upon d theta equal to 3a cos square theta, and derivative of cos is minus sin theta. This equal to minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. Similarly, dy by d theta equal to 3a sin square theta, derivative of sin is cos theta. So dx by d theta, dy by d theta, next step is find dy by dx. So therefore dy by dx equal to dy by d theta dx by d theta, this equal to dy by d theta is 3a sin square theta cos theta, this divided by 3a, so here it is minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. 3a get cancels, one cos and this cos get cancels, one sin is also get cancels. Sin upon cos theta is equal to minus tan theta. Minus tan theta is the, so dy by dx. So this is the slope of tangent. Therefore slope of tangent at theta equal to pi by 4. So to find slope of tangent plus dy by dx theta equal to pi by 4 minus tan pi by 4, minus tan pi by 4, this equal to minus 1. Tan pi by 4 is 1. So therefore slope of normal is, so slope of normal, since normal and tangent are perpendicular, so therefore slope of normal is negative reciprocal of this one. So this equal to minus 1 upon m, minus of 1 upon this minus 1, therefore this equal to plus 1. Slope of normal is plus 1. So observe this problem. Find the slope of tangent to the curve y equal to x2 minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to x-axis. Observe this one, parallel to x-axis. So before going to this one, let us discuss this problem. So the slope of parallel lines are equal. The slope of parallel lines are equal. So it is a first year study. So the slope of parallel lines are equal, or if slopes are equal, then lines are parallel. So this is the concept that studied in the first year class. So here tangent is parallel to x-axis, and once again the slope of x-axis is 0. So that is dy by dx is equal to 0. So it is also in first year you have studied that the slope of x-axis is 0. So therefore first differentiate this one, differentiate this, then make this equal to 0 because dy by dx is 0, that is the tangent is parallel to x axis. Then find the, so that itself will give the slope of the x axis. Y equal to x cube minus 3x squared minus 9x plus 7. Therefore, differentiate dy by dx equal to 3x square minus 6x minus 9. 3x square minus 6x minus 9. So therefore, the tangent is parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis. Therefore, slope of x axis is equal to 0. That is dy by dx is equal to 0. Slope of x axis, that is dy by dx equal to 0. So here to find the point, so dy by dx equal to 0. Therefore 3x square minus 6x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore 3 is common here. X square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So here x square minus 2x minus 3. So this x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This divided by 3 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 3 x plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 3 x plus 1 equal to 0. So therefore, x minus 3 equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 3 and x equal to minus 1. So these are the values of abscissa, that is x coordinate. So using the given function, so substitute these values in the given function, then you will get the corresponding value of y. So therefore, the given function becomes y equal to, so substitute x equal to 3 and x equal to minus 1 in this given equation, you will get the corresponding value of y. Therefore, for x equal to 3, y equal to 3 square minus 3 into 3 square minus 9 into 3 plus 7. This equal to, so this is 3 cube. 27 and this is also 27. This is also 3 cube. So therefore, these two get cancelled. Minus 27 plus 7 is equal to minus 20. Therefore, the point is 3 comma minus 20. 3 comma minus 20. So for x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 1 cube, minus 3 into minus 1 square, minus 9 into minus 1 plus 7. Minus 1 cube is minus 1, so this becomes minus 3, this becomes 9 plus 7. So therefore, so 16 minus 4, 11. Therefore, this is 16 minus 4 is 12. Therefore, the point is minus 1 comma 12. Therefore, the points are minus 1 comma 12, करो